What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I showed you earlier this program that you can use, this resource actually, this traffic resource you can use to promote your business opportunity, right? And I showed you that I used it and I sent traffic to one of my business partners' website, right? But did I also talk about how you can get paid commissions, okay, for promoting this opportunity and sharing it with other people like you and I? All right, internet marketers, digital marketers, affiliate marketers out here that's trying to get eyeballs on their opportunity. You know, my number one, right, is this program right here where you can earn up to $900 commissions, right? We talk about that all the time. And then my number two is getting to the bag with these $400 commissions, but you're earning 100% check match. Every time one of your teammates make money, you make money. Cha-ching, 400. Every time they make 400, you make 400. And then this one is paying $100, $300, $600, and $900. Step-by-step training on how you can work an online business. So I use this resource to promote these opportunities, right? You can go check out my opportunities at coffeeandcoins.info. But this I showed you guys a little bit earlier, right? This resource right here, Herculist, they've been around since 2001. You can sign up for free, okay? I'll put the link in the description, all right? And you can send out an email blast to real people like you and I. This is not fake bots or anything, right? We talked about that earlier. You can go check that video out. But if you upgrade, guys, to the gold member for $49 for the whole year, you don't have to pay ever again. 49 bucks, right? $49. You're in there, all right? So I made some commissions. Go get this. Send traffic to your website. Over 300, excuse me, you can send an email to over 378,000 people a day, all right, with this resource. But check this out. Boom. $49.40. Look, 50% commissions, guys. All right. So we're going to cash that puppy out. If you look, $49.40 says here, you have to have a minimum of 25. Check it out. You can get paid Bitcoin, Zelle, bank transfer. But right here, look, convert your earnings to double. You can keep that in there and they'll add more to it and you can use it for advertising. See, you can send it to Zelle, etc. So not only are you able to use this to send traffic to your offer, but you can earn commissions too. All right. So definitely go check this thing out. Link is in the description. And if you're interested in making instant commissions, go here, right here. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please. And thank you. On your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.